Howdy y'all. So I submitted some of my artwork to a sticker company, and in return they sent me free things. So I'm gonna have Mistress Polaris, and she has some pretty hands, open it for us.
A few moments later.
There's an envelope inside a package, guys.
It's ZugMonster.com. They're a neat company who can take your artwork and turn it into any sticker. They will customize and redesign all sorts of things for you. And I'm not sure this design style, but I'm gonna call it like that punk dead mouse type. They do a lot more than just stickers. They do shirts, posters, keychains, anything you could really want. And what they did for us is took our design and redesigned it into a whole bunch of little stickers.
I want one. Can I have one?
Dang, dude.
Go give them a check out, ZugMonster.com. They're pretty bomb, kind of neat. Thank y'all.